Are you tired of trying one hair loss remedy after another, shampoos, tonics, and home hacks, only to be disappointed? The truth is, many of the tips we see online are not backed by science. Hair loss is one of the most common health concerns today. Some of us wake up to strands of hair on the pillow. Others see clumps clogging the shower drain. Men worry about thinning on the crown or a receding hairline. Women notice when their ponytail becomes smaller or bald patches appear along the part. This is more than just a cosmetic issue. Hair loss can affect confidence, self-esteem, even how we relate to others. But here's the good news. Not everything is myth. Some of them have been shown in clinical studies to support healthier hair growth. So instead of wasting time on unproven methods, let us focus on the 6 remedies that science has already shown can help reverse hair loss. This video is for educational purposes only. It is not a substitute for medical advice. If you are experiencing sudden, severe, or unusual hair loss, please consult a doctor to identify the real cause. All the remedies we will mention today are supported by clinical studies. You will find the links to these studies in the description below, so you can read them yourself. Why hair loss happens. To understand how to treat hair loss, we first need to know the reasons behind it. Genetics plays a big role. Some people have hair roots that are sensitive to a hormone called DHT, which slowly shrinks the roots over time. Each new strand grows thinner and shorter until eventually it stops. This is the common type of baldness seen in many men and also in women. Hormonal changes also cause shedding. Women may notice more hair loss after giving birth, during menopause, or when thyroid problems are present. Nutritional deficiencies are another hidden cause. Just like plants need good soil, hair needs vitamins and minerals such as iron, vitamin D, and zinc. Scalp conditions like dandruff or fungal overgrowth can weaken the roots. Stress, lack of sleep, smoking, and poor diet also push more hairs into a resting phase, which leads to sudden shedding. And of course, daily habits like hot water showers, frequent blow-drying, and harsh chemical treatments all damage hair and make it appear thinner. The important thing to remember is this. If the root is still alive, hair may have the potential to grow back. So now that we understand the common causes of hair loss, from genetics and hormones to deficiencies and daily habits, the big question is, what actually works? Many so-called remedies are popular online but not proven. But science has already tested some natural options in proper clinical studies. And the results are clear. A few remedies truly help hair grow back, slow thinning, and strengthen the roots. You'll find links to the products in the description. Some are affiliate links, which just means the channel may earn a small commission if you choose to buy through them. It helps us keep making science-based videos like this one. Let us start with the first proven remedy. Remedy 1. Rosemary oil. One of the most studied natural options is rosemary oil. In one trial, rosemary oil was compared to minoxidil, a popular medicine for hair loss. After 6 months, both groups showed improvement, and rosemary oil performed comparably to minoxidil in that study. To use it, mix 3 to 4 drops of rosemary oil with 1 tablespoon of either coconut oil or jojoba oil. Mix well and massage gently into the scalp. Leave for at least 30 minutes, or overnight if comfortable, then wash with mild shampoo. If scalp is oily or sensitive, jojoba oil is best. Its structure is very close to natural scalp oil's sebum. It absorbs quickly and non-greasy. It helps rosemary oil penetrate deeper into follicles. If hair is dry and needs strengthening, coconut oil is excellent. It contains lauric acid, which binds to hair proteins and reduces breakage. It penetrates the hair shaft well. It is best for dry hair and scalp, but may be too heavy for very oily scalps. To get the best of both worlds, you can mix all three together. 1 tablespoon of jojoba oil plus 1 tablespoon of coconut oil and 6 to 8 drops of rosemary oil. Massage gently into the scalp 2 to 3 times a week. Leave it on for at least 30 minutes, or overnight if comfortable, then wash with a mild shampoo. It is generally safe, but never use undiluted essential oil directly on the scalp because it can irritate the skin. We've seen how rosemary oil, when massaged into the scalp, can be as effective as common medicine. But what if there was something you could take by mouth that helps hair grow from the inside out? That's where pumpkin seed oil comes in. Remedy 2: pumpkin seed oil and seeds. In another clinical study, men who took 400 milligrams of pumpkin seed oil daily for 24 weeks grew 40% more hair, while the placebo group only gained 10%. Pumpkin seed oil supplements are available in drugstores and online. Eating pumpkin seeds also helps, since they contain zinc and healthy fats. 1 to 2 tablespoons daily is enough. Pumpkin seed oil is safe for most people, but very high amounts may sometimes cause mild stomach upset. Pumpkin seed oil works from within. But sometimes hair loss is not about oil or seeds. It's about what our body is missing. One of the most common hidden deficiencies linked to thinning hair is vitamin D, also called the sunshine vitamin. Remedy 3: vitamin D. Vitamin D is called the sunshine vitamin, and it plays an important role in reactivating sleeping hair roots. Studies show many people with thinning hair have lower levels of vitamin D. It can be obtained from salmon, sardines, egg yolks, and fortified milk. But food alone is usually not enough. Sunlight is the best natural source. Just 10 to 15 minutes of morning sun 3 times a week is helpful. Supplements may also be used, usually 1,000 to 2,000 IU daily. But the best approach is to check your levels with a doctor before taking higher doses. Too much vitamin D is harmful. It can cause high calcium levels, leading to kidney stones, nausea, and weakness. If you take medications like steroids or some heart meds, interactions are possible. Ask your doctor. That is why proper testing is important. If this video is helping you, please click the like button and subscribe to this channel. That way, more people can learn about science-based ways to protect their health. Let's continue. Vitamin D helps wake up sleeping hair roots, but it's not the only nutrient connected to hair health. For many people, especially women, the real problem is low iron. Without enough iron, hair strands simply don't hold as firmly. Remedy 4: iron. Iron deficiency is one of the most common hidden causes of hair shedding, especially in women with heavy monthly periods. When ferritin or stored iron is low, the strands fall more easily. Good sources are red meat, chicken liver, spinach, beans, and lentils. If deficiency is confirmed, supplements may be prescribed. Iron is best taken on an empty stomach with orange juice for better absorption. But too much iron is dangerous. It can damage the liver and other organs. For men and post-menopausal women, 8 milligrams per day is recommended. For women below 50, 18 milligrams per day. Pregnant women, 17 milligrams per day, and breastfeeding women, 10 milligrams per day. Never take iron supplements unless blood tests confirm a deficiency. Iron is essential for stronger strands, but minerals work together, and another small but mighty one is zinc. Research shows low zinc is often present when people suffer from thinning hair. Remedy 5: zinc. Zinc is a small mineral with a big role in hair health. People with certain types of thinning often have low zinc, and supplementation has been shown to improve regrowth. Zinc is found in pumpkin seeds, beef, oysters, nuts, and beans. Recommended daily allowance for men is 11 milligrams a day, and for women 8 milligrams a day. Most over-the-counter zinc supplements contain 15 to 25 milligrams per tablet. That's above the daily requirement, but still safe if taken once per day for short-term immune support. Zinc lozenges for colds often provide 10 to 24 milligrams, but usually for temporary use only. Too much zinc can cause nausea, lower immunity, and block copper absorption. Food sources are the safest choice for most people. Now, what if there was something you could drink every day? Not a pill or oil, that helps protect your hair from the inside. That's exactly what green tea offers, thanks to a special compound that blocks the hormone responsible for shrinking hair roots. Bonus remedy: green tea. Green tea contains EGCG, a natural compound that has been shown in studies to help block some of the effects of DHT, the hormone linked to hair follicle shrinking. Drinking 2 to 3 cups daily provides this benefit, and it also supports heart and metabolism health. Matcha and Japanese sencha are excellent options. For those who do not drink tea, EGCG supplements of 300 to 400 milligrams are available. Green tea is safe for most people, but too much can cause nervousness, poor sleep, or stomach upset due to the caffeine. So those are the 6 remedies backed by science: oils, nutrients, and even green tea. But remedies alone are not enough. Hair health also depends on what we do every day. The way we wash our hair, the shampoos and conditioners we choose, and even the temperature of our shower can make a big difference. Let us now look at how proper hair care supports growth and protects the scalp. Shampoos and conditioners. Many ask about shampoos. Can they regrow hair? The honest answer is, shampoos alone cannot bring back hair if the roots are dead, but they support scalp health and reduce shedding. Shampoos with ketoconazole, like Nizoral, have been shown in studies to reduce scalp inflammation and may help lower DHT on the scalp. Use them about twice a week. On other days, gentle shampoos and conditioners keep the scalp healthy. Examples are CeraVe Hydrating Shampoo and Conditioner or Vanicream Shampoo and Conditioner. These are fragrance-free and safe for sensitive scalps. A simple weekly routine is this: use ketoconazole twice a week, gentle shampoo 2 to 3 times a week, and skip shampoo once or twice a week if the scalp is not oily. On those days, rinse with water or use conditioner only. This keeps the scalp clean without over-drying. Hair care habits. Beyond shampoos, our daily habits matter greatly. Hot water showers dry out the scalp and weaken strands. It is better to use lukewarm water and finish with a brief cool rinse. Blow drying on high heat. Frequent straightening or curling damages the hair shaft. Whenever possible, let the hair air dry or use the dryer on a cool setting. Men who use gels, pomades, or wax should wash them out at night. Leaving heavy products on the scalp can clog pores and irritate the skin. Women who color, perm, or relax their hair should reduce frequency, since these treatments weaken strands. Hairstyles should also be gentle. Very tight ponytails, braids, or man buns pull on the roots and cause traction hair loss. Looser styles protect the hair. Hats and helmets do not directly cause baldness, but if they fit too tightly, they may rub and irritate the scalp. Lifestyle is equally important. Stress can push hair into a resting phase, causing sudden shedding. Good sleep allows the body to repair itself, including the hair. A balanced diet with protein from fish, chicken, beans, or eggs provides the building blocks for healthy strands. Smoking reduces blood flow to the scalp and weakens hair roots. Even small steps, like using a wide-tooth comb or sleeping on a silk pillowcase, can reduce breakage. So to summarize, clinical studies support 6 natural remedies: rosemary oil, pumpkin seed oil or seeds, vitamin D, iron, zinc, and green tea. Along with these, using the right shampoo and conditioner routine, washing with lukewarm water, avoiding heat and chemicals, and treating the hair gently all work together to slow hair loss and protect the hair you still have. Results take time. Hair grows slowly, about 1 centimeter per month. That is why it usually takes 3 to 6 months, sometimes even a year, to see improvement. The key is patience and consistency. Hair loss affects both men and women, young and old. But remember, if the root is still alive, there is always hope. With proper care, hair may grow stronger again if the follicles are still active. So friends, why waste time chasing myths, miracle shampoos, and internet tricks that don't deliver when science has already shown us what really works? The remedies we shared today are not guesses, not hype. They are supported by real clinical studies, which you can find linked in the description. If you'd like to see the actual clinical studies, we've listed them all in the description so you can check them yourself. If you'd like to check out the products mentioned in this video, you can find all the links listed in the description below. These are affiliate links, which means if you decide to buy through them, we may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. Your support helps us keep making more helpful videos. Don't settle for promises in a bottle. Choose proven methods that give your hair the best chance to grow back stronger. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe, and share it with someone who's tired of trying everything without success. Together, let's spread health information that is practical, reliable, and science-based. And as always, stay curious, stay smart, and most of all, stay healthy.